Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture on Boolean difference method, which is an important concept in VLSI testing. In this lecture, we will understand what the Boolean difference is, why it is used, how it helps in generating test vector for detecting faults in digital circuits. Let us start with the definition. The Boolean difference method is a deterministic test vector test generation technique, which means that test vectors are generated using mathematical analysis, not randomly. One important advantage of this method is that it can give all possible test vectors that can detect fault at a particular input. So this figure shows the important concepts of Boolean difference. Here we are following one kind of logic, that is XOR logic. What is the XOR logic? If both inputs are different, we can get output as 1. If both inputs are same, that is 0, 0, 1, 1, the output is 0. So through these concepts only, we can able to identify the test vector through Boolean difference method. What is Boolean difference? Consider a Boolean function f of x1, x2, up to x of n. The Boolean difference of f with respect to an input xi is defined as the change in the output when the input xi is toggled, which means xi value from 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, while all other inputs are kept constant. In simple word, we defined like if changing xi changes the output, then fault on xi can be detected. If changing xi does not affect the output, the fault cannot be detected. This is the concept of Boolean difference. Through this mathematical expression, we can identify the test vector for given digital circuit. So this is a mathematical expression of Boolean difference, that is equal to f of x equal to 0 XOR f of x equal to 1, where this symbol represents the XOR operation, where f of x equal to 0 is the function when x is set to 0. Similarly, f of x equal to 1 is the function when x is set to 1. If the Boolean difference value is 1, it means the output changes and the fault is detectable. The fault is detectable. If the Boolean difference value is 0, the fault is not detectable. Through this concept only, we can identify the test vector if any faults present in our circuit. Consider with this example circuit, we can compute the test vector using Boolean difference method. What is the expression of this circuit? That is f equal to x dot y plus y bar z. So first we can find test vector to test fault stuck at 0 at node y using Boolean difference method. So we are following different kind of method to find the test vector. In this lecture, mainly we are focusing Boolean difference method. In this one, first concept is to find test vector if this y line is affected by stuck at 0. So what is the Boolean difference expression? So f of y XOR fy bar. First we need to find fy expression, then fy bar expression from our given main expression. That is f equal to x dot y plus y bar z. From this, first we need to find f of y. That is where you can substitute y value equal to 1 in this expression. That is here you substitute y value 1. Here y bar, that is 1 bar. So x dot 1 equal to x plus y1. What is the 1 bar value? That is 0 into z, 0. The expression comes like 0. So here x plus 0 x. That is the value of fy. That is, now we found the value of fy, that is equal to x. Similarly way we can find f y bar value. In this time, we can substitute y value equal to here 0. Here y value equal to substitute 1. So now we can substitute y value equal to 0 in this main expression, that is f equal to x dot y plus y bar z. Substitute y equal to y 0. At the time we can get f y bar equal to z. Now substitute the both value in our Boolean expression equation. That is, this is the equation, that is y with respect to in y line we can find the fault test vector. That is, our main objective of this question is to find test vector if this y line is affected by structure 0. So only we can follow our expression like this. That is, y into df by dy equal to y into f. What is the df by dy? That is fy xr fy bar. Now substitute fy value equal to x. Fy bar value equal to z. Now when we know the concept of XOR function, that is x dot, what is x XOR z? It is x into z bar z, the z bar plus x bar into z. Substitute that value, expand that value and multiply with your y. Finally we can get, you can get like our final expression. In this expression, from this expression we can find the test vector. What is the x bar here? What is the expression? X bar dot y dot z plus x dot y dot z bar. Instead x bar we can substitute value, write a value like this, that is 0. What is here? Y and z. Instead we can write a expression that is test vector like this, that is 1 1, comma. What is the another expression? What is the another expression? X dot y dot z bar. So now it is converted in the test vector format, that is 1. Instead x we can substitute 1. Instead y we can substitute 1. Z bar we can write as a 0. So finally, what is the test vector if this y line is affected by structure 0? Means 0 1 1 comma 1 1 0. This is the answer for if y line is affected by structure 0. Using Boolean difference method, we can find the test vector. Similarly, same given circuit, in this given circuit, now this W line is affected by structure 0. Using Boolean difference method, we can find the test vector. Already we know that our main function of the expression, that is main function of this expression, that is f equal to x dot y plus y bar is z. So this, the y bar is, instead y bar is z, here we can substitute answer value like w, that is w equal to y bar is z. As usual, we can find, we can compute fw bar. What do you mean by fw? In our expression, we can substitute w value equal to 1. So that is w equal to 1 means x dot y plus 1 equal to, what is the value? 1 plus anything, answer is 1. According to the Boolean law, what is the value? 1. Then we can find fw bar. In this we can substitute w equal to 0. So what is the expression when we substituting w value equal to in our main expression? Final expression is fw bar equal to x dot y. Here we can substitute 0. Finally we can get fw bar equal to x dot y. So substitute both value in our main expression, that is w dot into df with respect to w. That is w into fw XOR fw bar. What is the fw? What is the fw value here? That is 1. What is the fw bar value? X dot y. What is the w value? That is y bar. That is y bar z. Expand this expression. Finally, we can get like this. Final answer is y bar z. So, but in this expression, in this term, we missed one label, that is x value, x input value. So keeping in your mind, based on this concept, we can write here our test vector here. So in the order, you can write the test vector x, y, z. In our expression has only y bar z. So y bar z we can write 0, 1. But our missing term is x input value. Instead of x we can substitute unknown value, that is x 0, 1. This is the final test vector when this W line is affected by stuck at 0 using Boolean difference method. This is the test vector. Next, same equation, same logic expression. Sorry. Similarly, this is considered another one example circuit. In this circuit, we can find test vector using Boolean difference method. So the similar way, circuit has three input value x, y, z. Output is f. What is the expression of this circuit is f equal to x dot y plus x dot y dot z. So as usual, we know that need to find both x value, that is fz and fz bar. When we are going to compute fz, at the time we can substitute as z value equal to 1 here. Here z value substitute in our main expression. We can substitute z value equal to 1 when we need to compute fz, that is x dot y plus x dot y dot 1. What is the final answer? X dot y. We need to compute fz bar. At the time we can substitute in z value equal to 0. So in the main expression we can substitute z value equal to 0. So at the time we can final answer is f equal to x dot y. Now substitute this both value in our main Boolean difference equation, that is z with into with df with the difference equation with respect to dz. This is the concept of Boolean difference. So because why here we substitute z value means our main objective of this problem is to find test vector when z line is affected by stuck at 0. So only we multiply z line value with our difference equation. Finally, here both values are same value, that is x dot y, x dot y. So what is the XOR logic? Both inputs are same. We not able to find the test vector. That is not deductible concept. So similar. So only here what is the value? Fz and XOR Fz bar equal to 0. The conditions for testability is not satisfiable. So the fault is undeductible. The redundancy in the circuit is the cause for the undeductible faults. So through this example, we know that the concept of deductible fault and undeductible fault using Boolean difference method. So let us summarize the concept of Boolean difference is, it is a deterministic approach. It provides all possible test vectors. It is suitable for combinational circuit. It gives a clear mathematical condition for fault deduction. So to conclude, the Boolean difference method is a powerful technique used in VLSI testing to generate test vectors. Thank you.